Motorola will unveil a new smartphone Moto G Max. Smartphone will be powered by the one of the latest chipset MediaTek Dimensity 6406 nanometer and has got a 2.5 GHz Octa-Core CPU. Under the hood of this phone, smartphone is going to have an AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.8 inches screen size, which is a big screen display with a resolution of 1272 by 2772 pixels and 120 Hz refresh rate. The smartphone is packing with 8 GB of RAM and has got 256 GB of storage. Moto G Max battery has a big battery. It will be fueled with a 5200 mAh. That will carry support for fast charging of 30 watt. There will be a display optical fingerprint sensor. On the rear of the phone, there is a dual camera setup. The main sensor will be 200 megapixel and 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens. And front camera in this phone will be 32 megapixel. There will be IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. Moto G Max price is about $486 US. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.